Indian dishes with easy and fast. Within 45 minutes, everything will be done. All right, 3 dishes. Right.
That one, the bigger side, is this side. Otherwise, it's just eating our
The cheese.
Oh, I didn't know cheese.
It's a video.
I think you poured me a water, but I thought it was
Here
here,
you go.
but
It's
now.
right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like I thought it was there before, but
I thought
Sorry,
it was
I
mine,
think-
and then
No, I think I never gave it to you because I think something
You put it down,
or
I
something
think.
happened.
and I saw it there, but then now I was like, I don't know. This is it.
Whose is this? Is that yours?
That's
Do you want more?
yes, please.
You wanted the seltzer, right? Does anybody else need anything? Who's looking for it?
So by getting the pan hot,
Vibrant.
I know, I love hot
Oh,
love.
it's good.
I want to
Smell.
do some prep here. Everybody loves tofu, right?
I love tofu. Lena needs to see at least once a week. I think we kind of would on it. Okay, we've had enough. Because it was like that. Complain. That's how Lucas used to eat it. When he was about 15.
Yeah,
He'd pick up the little cubes.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Drying it
I'm
or
going- yeah, I'm
prepping
just-
it with oil or anything?
Heating it.
Okay.
Is that stainless steel or
It is.
what do you? I've heard in the past from other chefs the non-stick is really not that good.
This is not non-stick.
Like the Teflon and stuff
Oh.
like that. Are you
I
the same
don't
way? You don't like
use
to cook with the Teflon
Teflon.
stuff?
No. Look at that face.
No.
Yeah. That's
I don't use
that's
that.
the reaction I got.
Yeah.
Um,
Real chefs don't use
last
that,
time, yeah.
right?
Because the last class we did, he used my stuff. It's like, is this
40
all you
pot pans
have?
in my kitchen, and I think only 3 of them are non-stick, and I replace them all the time, because they don't hold up very well.
Right.
Hi.
Well, yeah, that starts to come off the
Yeah.
coating, even the nicer
Even the good
ones.
ones.
Yeah, they
Oh,
Where's your
do.
camera? You should take some pictures.
Yeah.
I'm not working right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Give me a break.
You can note it down because what I'm doing. So that's why I just put the gas. But the basic gravy for the basic spices I'm going to use is
Oh, okay.
for all the 3